System errors causing the libqt5core DLL crashes in Qt5, Framework Core Runtime. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we dive into the libqt5core manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the libqt5core, a non-standard naming convention for the Qt5core library, frequently found in cross-platform Linux to Windows ports. It handles the signals, slots, and object lifecycle for the app. If missing, the software cannot construct its primary execution tree, resulting in an immediate silent crash or a Qt platform plugin error. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by performing a fresh reinstall of the affected software. Reinstall the current official version of Qt5 Framework Core Runtime to replace libqt5core and refresh the program's runtime files. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the libqt5core file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for libqt5core.dll that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to libqt5core. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved libqt5core error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.